Hi guys, it's Les here over in West Yorkshire at the Rock Room. Thank you very much indeed for joining me today. Today's video, what I'm going to be looking at is this new Crown Lapidary set of machines. The first one that's just arrived is the 3lb machine. Now these are really good quality. I said the starter machines only in the sense that they've got a single barrel. Other than that, there's nothing starter about these babies whatsoever. You know, you've seen the quality, and I showed you the quality of the beach machines. It's an English-made manufactured machine. Well, these things made to the same high standard, absolutely rigid. So I'm going to show you this on the close-up camera, and then I'll show you the features and what you're going to get. Right then guys, so this is the machine itself. As you can see, this particular one is a nice green colour. As you can see, there's a badge on top there. It says Crown Lapidary. At the side we've got the on-off button, which is a feature that I was saying. Not all machines have got that. A lot of them you just plug them in and it goes. That's nice. Sticker here for safety purposes. That's the other end. Underneath, what you will find a guard on here to stop any fingers or anything going in there. You'll find usually the wires will be just tucked inside. In here you've got two bars, only one of which is powered, the other one is like a slave. You've this little piece of plastic here, and that swings in to make contact with your metal lid. You know, if it's moving up and down a bit, you can do that with that. Dead easy. Now then, before I plug this in, what you're also going to get, now this actually runs on a 24 volt motor, so it's going to be a lot safer, you know, for the motor itself. And inside, what you will also get is a power brick. So basically, there we go. This plugs into the wall, like so, and then your tumbler plugs into that. Straightforward, like so. You see that? Just about to see it. There we go. Put it that way. So now if we turn him on, you can hear nice, quiet, smooth. You see? Absolutely superb. Now then, the best of all, these come with rubber barrels. So not only is the machine quiet, the barrel is quiet. And with these ones, these are 3lb capacity. We do sell the empty spares of these as well. They're 20 quid. You take off the little top nut, take off the washer, pry off the top. That's a spare band, and that's the inner lid. Now the inner lid, you have to pry it back a little bit. It's difficult to show and do. And that just pops out of there like that. And that's your barrel. Soft rubber, but hard. Smells lovely, just like a new tyre. So basically you put your rocks in there, put your water in there, and that seals. Straightforward. There's a little groove in there in the top of the barrel. Once you've got him in, like that, you put that lid back on, you put your washer back on, and you put your nut back on. Like so, and that's it. So then you put your barrel on here, like so. The little bit here faces outwards, and then we turn him on, and that's how it is, look. That is one lovely, lovely little machine. But like I said, the quality of it is second to none. Listen, that's not tin, that's quality. Now the best of all, price, I've got a price on these for you at just 90 quid. 90 quid includes your rubber barrel. Now your rubber barrels, this particular type of rubber barrel, the cheapest you can find this is probably eBay, and they're about 25 quid a piece. So we do these at 20 quid. But it includes that. I think that is absolutely outstanding. It's far, far better quality than a lot of the rubbish that you see on eBay. I mean, you see people paying silly money for a second-hand one and it's rubbish to start with. This, absolutely magnificent. I really can't fault them. And the other thing is, of these, we've got the £6 double barrel version coming. I've also got a £15 double barrel version coming and a £15 single barrel version, so you've got opportunity to do a lot of rocks. So there it is. That is, for me, absolutely stonking. They're superb. I really can't tell you how nice they are. Got plenty of them lined up here if anybody wants any. They're only in green at the minute because that's what with the they'd already got ready made for us. But I have asked them for some red ones and some blue ones. You know, just to give people an option. But also, like I said, we've got the double version of this, which is a £6 version coming. And then there's an even bigger one, which is a 15, which has two 7.5 £, barrels. Bearing in mind that's a £5 barrel, the other one's a 7.5, and there's two of them on it. Again, exceptional quality and value for money. That's the most important thing. That's my middle name, isn't it? Right, well, that's about it for this video, folks. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it was nice and informative for you. Superb. It does what it does. You know, it turns. It goes forever and a day. And like I said, we have got them in stock. So if you want one, you can get one now. It's 90 quid. They're on the website. See you later.